Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can get the Cheetah print credit card in Avatar World. So the Cheetah print credit card is a super stylish and convenient accessory in Avatar World that many players miss, and this is how you can get it. So first you can just head into the subway near the airport in here. So go inside the subway. So once you're inside the subway, you'll see this case right here, or this little box. It might be on the floor or held by someone. So you can see the Cheetah print credit card in here. Now you can just here hold it and give it to your avatar like this. Or if you have your wallet, you can just put it inside your bag or wallet. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks, and I'll see you in the next one.